Hello, in this video, I will discuss the two HFSS options, Modal and Terminal. As mentioned in tutorial 1, you need to select one of the two options at the start of an HFSS simulation. What are the differences between the two options? It is actually quite simple. The name already hinted how they differ. The model option provides results in terms of waveguide modes, while the terminal options provides results in terms of terminals. For example, as parameters obtained with the model option are expressed using the incident and reflected powers of waveguide modes. In this case, S11 represents the reflection of mode 1. On the other hand, as parameters obtained with the terminal option are expressed using the voltage and currents as the terminals. So, S11 represents the reflection at terminal 1. Why is there usually confusion about choosing the right option if the difference is so simple? The reason is that in most cases, the two options produce nearly the same results. However, in some situations, they can give completely different results. So, how do we know which one to choose? When the excitation port supports only a single mode, both options produce identical results. However, when the excitation ports are multi-mode, the results from the two options will differ. To illustrate the differences, let's simulate two coupled microstrip lines in 6 different cases. Model option lumped port and wave port. Terminal options with model lumped port, model wave port, terminal lumped port, terminal wave port. In version 2025, terminal options support also model ports. In HFSS, a lumped port supports only one mode, while a wave port can support multiple modes. I first draw a structure that includes two microstrip lines, a substrate, and a ground plane. The dimensions of the structure are shown in this table, where W, L, and S represent the width, length, and spacing of the coupled lines respectively. I create the first microstrip lines with the properties, and then create the second line using a mirror duplication. I will quickly go through the creation of a simulation for a coupled microstrip lines. To see the basic step of an HFSS simulation, you can refer to my tutorial 1 using the link in the description. To start the simulation, I click Analysis, Script, Analyze, and once the simulation is completed, I export the result to a touchstone file. Next, I create 5 other HFSS designs by copying and pasting the first design. In each design, I change the option to Modal or Terminal and replace the existing port to the new ones. I then run the simulations and export their results to touchstone files. I import ANSYS results into the first design and plot figures to observe differences. As you can see, the results form two distinct groups. First group, represented by dashed lines. These are results with modal multi-mode box, modal option with wave box, and terminal options with modal wave box. The S parameters in this group represent modes. Second group, represented by solid lines. These are results with single mode box, modal option with lumped box, and terminal option with modal lumped box, terminal lumped box, and terminal wave box. The S parameters in this group represent terminals. Interestingly, the terminal wave box in the terminal option also give S parameters of terminals. To choose the right options, you need to understand your circuits physically and what kind of results you want to obtain. If you enjoy my video, a like and a subscribe would mean a lot. Thank you very much for watching.